Hey, so I had a number of complaints that there is no new videos coming up on the channel. I did not have opportunity to do so many videos recently, but here is the one, and hopefully we can find out what's wrong with this one. So that's Hr28. There is some issues with the electric motor or something, so we're gonna try to see what is happening and what is not. So machine turns on. Straight away you can see there is errors on the display. So you have a motor symbol, error code present. So if you go to error codes, two error codes, and so 01F1 is generic error code for the motor controller, but I'm not too sure what that is. I have to check this out. Alright, so this error code is actually saying that is a fault with the pre-charge. Pre-charge has failed on the controller. So we have a 3+ terminal loose or shorted connections. So we're gonna have to look into the motor controller, and I think it should be flash code 14 of the motor controller as well. So let's try to see what's going on there. On the engine side, we have a motor controller mounted right here. I see there is some flash code. I need to get in better position to see it. Alright, let's see. So that's the error code flashes. So we're gonna try to count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so that's error 14. Okay, so it's a pre-charge fault. Okay. Let's get a multimeter and see what we have in terms of voltages, and if all looking good. From what I'm seeing, everything seems to be good here. Nothing is loose. No problems here. Everything is nice and tight. Alright, let's get a multimeter. So I'm measuring voltage on the negative, B- and on a contactor supply side, and we do have a 75 volts, which is good. So that controller should start up, no problems. And I measured on the output of the contactor, which we have 5.7 volts. Let's see if you can see this better. 5.7 volts on the output. So the contactor is open and there is no shorted out, or there is nothing wrong with that sort of side of things. And I think the fault is possibly going to be with the controller, and we're gonna have to replace it. That's my guess, because the power to run a control circuit is there as the unit powers up, but it's failing on the pre-charge. Let me just reset the controller. Yeah. Okay. So I don't think there is much more to diagnose here. We just fit a replacement and see what's gonna happen. Just remove the controller. This 4-bolt takes the controller off. Phase wires, power supplies, and I was checking the wiring here along the way, and I think I found the root cause of all the issues here. I don't know if you can see it from here. You see this this cable here. Wait, maybe I'm gonna show it from this side. So this connector here. Yeah, if you look at this red wire. Look at that red wire here. I zoomed it in, but what you should be able to see, I can't see if we're reaching that wire. Wait, let me look at the wire. Wait, let me get my camera zoomed back so you can have an idea where that is. So that is here, just behind that wall. The fan positive wire. Sorry for turning camera around, but look at this wire here. It's all the way out now, so it actually shorted onto the case here. I think that's what's killed the controller. My plan now is to fix that wire and put a new controller on, and I think that's gonna be end of the trouble. There we go. I pulled the wire out for better inspection so you can see. It has completely burned through. Oh, the rain is terrible. Had to stop for a second, but yeah, I've managed to fix the cable before the rain. Now I just need to mount it all together, bolt the controller down, test it, and I think it's gonna be fine. But hopefully it's not gonna rain too long, and it's gonna be good to get out again. So new controller in place now. In terms of programming, you don't need to do anything, just plug and play. They come pre-programmed. The cable repaired and repositioned, so it's away from the edges, so the fault should not happen again. I have not tested yet, so let's do it together. And as you can see now, the sun is coming out. It's a beautiful day. All right, ready? Let's go. Power on. Same errors. Hey? 0150. Oh no, that's different. Okay. You know what? You know what that is? I will show you in a minute. That is problem here. Obviously I had to disconnect my Anderson isolator to do the repair. I forgot to connect it back. So try again. 3, 2, 1. Power on. Yep, heard the click. Motor is running. So that is, I would say, a fix. So motor speed. You can see the pump electric motor info here. 2000 RPM. Wow, perfect. I was worried for a moment, but yeah, it's all good. I'll do a bit more testing just to double check wiring is all tight, and then yeah, it's good as new. All right, thank you for watching. Hope we're gonna have some more videos in the future. Until the next one.